Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start book 2, exercise number 3B of your grade 7. It's on your book page number 111. And the topic for this exercise is factorization of quadratic expression. This is a new topic for you for grade 7. It's just you have to make out the factors. The question number 1 of exercise number 3B is factorize each of the following expressions completely. Oh, you have to solve the A part of the question. The question is A square plus 9A plus 8. There are three terms given in the algebraic expression. This is quadratic algebraic expression. Algebraic expression because there are the variables, there are constant, there are the plus and minus, plus sign is there, and quadratic because one term is having a power as a 2. How to solve this question? I'm going to tell you a very, very simple method for this one. This is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term. What you have to do that you have to take the product of first and third term. Product means you have to multiply whatever answer is coming. You can write your product. It is coming 8A square. Now, you have to draw one diamond over here, and how the diamond will help us to find out the factors, that we need to find out those two factors. If we multiply them, we are getting our upper value, and the middle value you have to write over here, which is plus 9A. And if you are going to add or subtract, you should get your middle value. But before that, the most important point is that how you can make the factors of it. I hope you know that we are making the factors, like 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8. That's it. These are the two possible factors of it. How we can identify those two factors, that if we are going to multiply, we should get 8. And if you are going to plus them, we should get 9. As the product is positive, you can see your product is positive value. It is plus 8. If your product is positive, you have to add the factors. So which two factors we can add? So we can get the product as 8 and addition value as 9. If I'm going to add 2 multiplied by 4, if I'm going to multiply 2 and 4, I'm getting 8. But if I'm going to add 2 and 4, I'm getting 6. Mean 2 and 4 is not suitable factor pair for this one. I will try for 8. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. And 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. It means that 1 and 8 are two perfect factors for these questions. I'm going to write them here, that I can write it as 1 and 8. 1 and 8. But I need A also, and in the product A square. I'm going to write A, and here also A. Clear? Now these values you have to write back in your question. Write the first term from here. Write the last term as it is. But I'm going to we break the middle term. The second name is breaking the middle term also. How you break the middle term? You have written A plus 8A. These two factors you have to write over here. A and 8A. I'm not writing 1 because 1 as a coefficient we are not writing. Now you have 4 terms with you. How you have to simplify them? You have to take the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. Make pair. From the first 2 terms, you have to see that which one you can take out common. I can identify that I can take A common from here, and I can get in the bracket A plus 1. From the last 2 terms, I can take 8 common, and it gives me 8A from here, and 8 ones are 8, it's 1. You can easily see from here that the bracket values are same. So you can write the same bracket value once only, and then this term and this term, which is A plus 8. And that's your answer. Again, I'm repeating because it's a new topic for you. Maybe you people feel difficult for this one, but it's not at all difficult if you go stepwise. What you have to do, there will be three terms given to you in quadratic algebraic expression. You have to take the product of the first and third term. I have taken the product of first and third term. If your product is positive, definitely you have to add the factors, whatever factors are suitable for your question. So as the product is 8, I made the factors of 8. 1 8s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. Then I check that which two factors are suitable for my this product and the middle value. I need product 8, but I need the, if I add the values, add the factors, I need 9. So only 1 and 8 are the factors. If I'm going to multiply, I'm getting 8. If I'm going to add, I'm getting 9. So then how you have to substitute here? Write the first value same as, write the last value same as, only in place of the middle value. In place of the middle value, you need to write these two factors. Means, in other words, you break the middle term. When you get 4 values, from the first 2 values, just see whatever you can take out common. Take the number also you can take common if there is any, or otherwise variable you have to take common. From here, I cannot take variable common. 8 and 8 numbers are coming in the both values. So I have taken 8 common. It gives me a plus 1. Whenever you are getting the same bracket values, remember most important point, whenever you are getting the same bracket values, you have to write once only. And then next you have to write the, how to write the next values, this term and this term over here. And then that will be your final answer. If your bracket values are not same, even the numbers, letters, or the signs, if they are not exactly same, your factors are wrong. You made somewhere mistake, then you need to revise your factors. That maybe your factors are wrong, or maybe your signs are wrong. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.